Hey code rebels, welcome back to another videos. Today we are going to dive into an interesting coding question that revolves around string and mapping. We explore the concept of string isomorphic and how we can determine if two strings are isomorphic or not. So grab your coding gear and let's get diving into the problem. So our problem statement is here. Imagine you are given a string to S and T and you asked to determine whether they are isomorphic. But what does it mean two strings is to be isomorphic? Well, it means the character is one string can be replaced to get the another string. But here the catch all occurrence of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. Additionally, no two characters may map of the each character by characters may of itself. So imagine we have two string s and t and determine we have to find out here is isomorphic character is here or not. This is example number one and this example number two here. Input s is equals to egg and t. These are the two character strings here s and t. We have tackled this problem. We have simple effective approach and let's get how we can here approach to tackle this problem. We will dive a simple effective approach here. We will iterate through each character. First we iterate we iterate each character we iterate each character of both of a string of both string both string s and t here. During this iteration we will maintaining a map here mapping characters mapping characters mapping character from here s starting for here s to t s to t. This mapping ensures that each character from S map and to make a unique character into a T. We will find out here the unique characters. No two characters from S map of the character is in ST here. Let's take an example here. Let's talk about example to better understand this concept. Suppose we have a two string here s and t here. S is equals to egg and t is equals to add here. We will start iterate start iterate through each character of both of string both character of both string. Next means s is equals to here egg and t is equals to here add. First iterate both character of a string here s and t s and t here. For the first character e is in s corresponding to a in t. Similarly g is a map to d in it. After iterating through the strings we will creating here a mapping next here. A second we will here the second character the first character e or letter of s here s string and here a is the second string of a t. And next the second step the second character is equals to here g here is going for a s string and next d go for t. These are the corresponded. Next and third character third next third character here and third character g is going for s. It's corresponding to here and d is here for similar to here t. So here first we will character of iterating each character s and t, each character, each character. Next, second step here, we will here iterate for the first character to corresponding to a T. First character here E as a string and here A for a T string. First character initializer and second here second character and G in S going for and corresponding to a D is in T here and third similar that G is going for the corresponding to S here and also here and D is going for T and we have iterate these all these characters and our the third step here. Now the map we start here the mapping would be like that here A and G and D. These are the mapping here since each character from S and map to be a unique character in T and no more two characters from S map to same character in T. The string is S and T are isomorphic. We have we have used here the unique characters, not two characters from S and T are not the isomorphic characters here. And so next we we will explaining the code in C++ and Python also. And this is a code in C++. First, first we check the length of an input string S and T here are equal. If not equal, then return false here. Next, in the initialize here the unordered map for the map to start from S to T and mapping to start store the mapping from a character in string S and character of string is T. And after that unordered set is to be seen to keep a track of our characters in T. If already has been mapped here, next we will iterate here each character of both string for using a loop here. If retrieve the characters at the current position from string S and T. If character from string S is not already a map. If check if each characters from string S and T are for the mapping of the same characters of isomorphic condition. So it would be here we have initialize here return a false, otherwise it's add the mapping of current characters from S and T. If characters of string S is already mapped, if check the current character of string T match previously mapped character. It does not match, it's mean the isomorphic condition is violated, means it is violated. So we will here return here false here. Either we will here return here false. After the looping all these complete without return false, it means that string S and T are the isomorphic condition follow. So we put here the return true here. So this is a code in a C++. Let's run. Next code we will next code a code explanation in Python code here. So and this is a Python code. The first method we have used here takes a two string S and T and input and return a boolean indicating whether of isomorphic or not. If first check the length of input string S and T are equal. If they are not equal, it's return false and a string of a different length can not be a isomorphic. Then we will initialize here the empty dictionary of S and T S to T mapping to store the map of a character from string S to string T and empty set is seen to keep a character of string t. That's I've already mapped here, and then we will iterate here for pairing of each character from S and T simultaneously using for a function. Within the loop here, if the current character from S and T mapping dictionary, if check the corresponding character from string T is already has been a seen. If it has been a seen, it means the multiple characters from string S are mapping to the same character. It's also we present here T substring. So violating the isomorphic condition, so it will be written here false. Otherwise, it's at the mapping of the current characters from S to T in the S to T mapping dictionary and adds the character from T and T scene set of these characters here. If current character from S is already to S2 mapping of the dictionary, if check current character of from string T is previously mapped character. If it doesn't match, it means these are the isomorphisms condition is violated. So it will be written here the false here, and after the looping condition is finished, if the loop complete without returning a false, it means that the string S and T are isomorphic, so it will be written here true. So we have conclude our these topics here, these coding problem. So these approach here, we efficiently two string isomorphic or not. So our the time complexity here, our solution is on here. N is the number of length and number of length of either S string and T string. String for E that S and T. This is because we will iterate through each character from these strings only once. Similarly, the our space complexity of order of n due to the using a mapping and set to store of these characters and mapping. Within this approach, we will equipped to solve this problem is isomorphic effectively. So, and if you have its code levels, we have explored the concept of string isomorphic and learn how to determine if two strings are isomorphic. I hope you found this video insightful and that it's helped you in your coding journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding content. Until next time, happy coding. Thank you.